In the realm of the mind, where our thoughts crown kings, begins our journey from beliefs to blessings. In this vast expanse where thoughts become things, we embark on a quest, a spiritual undressing, for it's here we find that our beliefs hold sway, they shape our world, they craft our day. What if I told you your mind is a tool that can carve out your destiny without playing the fool, with every thought, every belief so deep? You're sowing seeds for your mind to reap. Do you ever wonder why some dreams take flight while others falter lost in the night? It's the power of belief, my dear friend, that decides if a journey will start or end. Our personal experiences, our joys and our strife, are but reflections of our inner life. As we delve into the depths, we'll find treasures untold. Come along on this journey, let the story unfold. Beliefs are the seeds in the garden of mind, planted with care, the fruits we'll find. They're the unseen architects, shaping our reality, constructing the world with an uncanny duality. Beliefs, oh so powerful, yet often overlooked, they're the silent authors of life's unwritten book. Delve into your mind, examine the seeds sown. Are they thorny weeds or flowers fully grown? Are they rooted in fear or blossoming in love? Are they caged birds or free as a dove? Remember, the seeds you plant today will shape the forest of your tomorrow. So plant with intention, or you may reap sorrow. Beliefs are not just thoughts, they're the compass of the heart, guiding our actions right from the start. They can build bridges or erect walls. They can lift us to great heights or cause our falls. What's grown in your garden, is it bitter or sweet? The power lies in your hands to make the tale complete. From the canvas of thoughts to the brush of desire, paint your world with love, set your heart on fire. In the grand gallery of life, where reality is but a frame, your thoughts are the palette, your desires the flame. Manifestation, my friends, is an art most profound, where thought and desire in harmony are bound. It's not magic nor illusion, but a law most divine, where the canvas of your world with your heart's hues align. Consider your thoughts as colors, vibrant and pure, each one an expression, each one a cure. Now, take your heart, your brush of desire, and with each stroke set your world on fire. The canvas of your reality, once blank and austere, now a masterpiece of manifestation, vibrant and clear. It's not just a painting, but a reflection most sincere of your thoughts, your desires, your heart's frontier. It's your canvas, your colors, so paint without fear, manifest your dreams, make your vision clear. From the cocoon of beliefs emerge blessings so grand, in the palm of your hand, the universe you command. Let's delve into this transformation, this splendid dance of creation. It's as if we're caterpillars, our beliefs the cocoon, and the blessings the butterfly that emerges soon. This metamorphosis, oh, it's no mere chance, but a product of belief, a divine romance. Like a seed buried in the ground, your beliefs silently surround, and when the time is ripe and sound, blessings in abundance are found. So let's harness this power, this force within. Let's embrace our beliefs, let the transformation begin. For isn't it grand, isn't it divine, that with the universe we intertwine, and the blessings that emerge, are they not a sign that our beliefs and the universe beautifully align? The universe in your command, a truth so profound, with beliefs as your compass, blessings abound? From beliefs to blessings we've traveled this far. In the galaxy of mind, you're the shining star. We've explored the terrain of our inner sight, where thoughts take form and dreams ignite. We've delved into beliefs, those seeds of thought, and seen the harvest that they've brought. We've mastered the art of manifestation, using the canvas of imagination. We've unveiled blessings like a magician's reveal, proving that what we believe, we make real. You, the dreamer, the creator, the seer, have potential untapped, just waiting near. With every belief, every thought, every notion, you stir the universe into motion. You're not just a traveler or a passive seer, but a cosmic architect, a spiritual pioneer. So continue your journey, don't pause, don't rest, for the quest of self-discovery is truly the best. Trust in your power, let your spirit resound. Subscribe for more wisdom, for treasures yet unfound in the realm of the mind, where blessings abound.